Welcome to Insurance Ki Pathshala, an educational initiative by Insurance Alerts. Actuary plays a very important role in any insurance company, but we are not very much aware of their activities, how they contribute for the growth and benefit of the insurance companies, policyholders. So let's find out from Miss Pioli Das. Miss Das is actuary with India First Life Insurance Company.
I often encounter a very common question: what actuaries do? What is the role of an actuary? So I think while the role of an actuary varies from company to company, on a broader level, there are 3-4 aspects which the actuaries are involved with. And these include the financial risk management, which is the cornerstone, the financial valuation, as you might be seeing the IPOs happening, the valuation of the company taking into account the long-term potential and the long-term nature of the industry. Third is that the financial projections and simulations to make it worthwhile for a very potentially sustainable and profitable growth. And fourthly is definitely the business and financial strategies, because everywhere where there is a financial risk, there is an opportunity, and that opportunity comes through what is expectations of the future and what the actuaries can see through their lenses. But just coming to a very traditional role of an actuary, if you see, more or less that's what the actuaries in India or the life insurance companies in general are used to doing, is that there are 3 basic areas where they practice. One is definitely the product pricing, and that's a very technical expertise which is required to understand what is the experience that is going to pan out in the future. Keeping that into account, what will be the premium currently, so that it becomes a profitable proposition for definitely the customer, the shareholders, and also its distributors. So it's a balancing game which is taken care of and addressed through the product pricing. Secondly is that even the product pricing requires a lot of checks and balances through regulations and compliance adherence, and therefore there is a lot of liaising with the regulators to ensure that the product is compliant. So this is the main rule of product pricing and getting the approval from the regulators. Secondly is that there are also rules on management of the statutory reserves or the statutory provisioning, which is a key aspect in the balance sheet and financial accounts of a life insurance company. So taking that into account, the management of solvency and determination of the provisions, considering that it's a long-term business, you have to keep your provision aside to meet the commitments as and when they become due. So taking that into account, the calculations of reserves is of paramount importance and is undertaken by the actuaries. Thirdly is the shareholder valuation or the reporting. The shareholders need to stay engaged, that they have a profitable business to keep looking up to, and that they will be able to sustain that, remain solvent so as to meet the customers' commitments. So that's a shareholder reporting part, which becomes an area of practice, an area of focus for the actuaries. And even today we see the IPOs happening where they require independent certification of the actuaries to understand that this is the worth of the company and the company is sound enough to just cater to the commitments which it has given to the policyholders and from time to time. So how do actuaries contribute to the growth of the business, to the growth of the organization, and to the growth of the industry? I think it's fairly obvious by now that actuaries can design a profitable suite of products which will serve the profitability and the sustainability of the business from time to time throughout the product life cycle. I think that's the ability of the actuaries to understand the inflow and outflow and the anticipated timings for that, which paints the profitability journey for the company. So apart from that, I think compliance is also one of the major areas where the actuaries are focusing on, and that's by design as well, because I think the appointed actuary role is actually appointed by the regulators in India, and they are meant to comply with all the checks and balances. Therefore, they are expected to be well versed with all the regulations which are there in place to protect the customers and ensure that the journey which the which the company is embarking on is a profitable and sustainable journey on the pillars of compliance. Thirdly is that yes, there are business solutions, dynamic solutions, which there are challenge, and as challenge with all the challenges, there are opportunities as well. So therefore, there is a constant monitoring of the experience required, which will equip the actuaries to formulate business strategies which will be providing solutions amidst changing environment. Fourthly, I think what is happening is that nowadays there is a lot of focus on asset liability management as well, because that is one of the areas where companies are seeing opportunities to take a risk call and enhance the returns while meeting the guaranteed guaranteed returns to the customer. I think it's a complicated dynamics, but it requires a lot of understanding of the risk, products, the experience like claims and persistency, which everything put together is something with the actuaries are master of that to get the journey going. Actuaries provide dynamic solutions to the business problems, and there are certain business problems like what will be the compensation structure for the distributors, what will be the channel profitability, what will be the correct products to sustain the channel dynamics. So all these things are business problems where actuaries, because of their ability to form an assumption, to study the assumption, investigate and analyze the assumptions, and the experience, they can form some idea and opinion about the future. So of course, the risk management still stands as a main pillar through which the actuaries try to protect and nurture the positive margins and the profitability of the company, so that the company, the shareholders, stay motivated and committed to serve the customers. In India First, actuaries are not only involved in all the three traditional areas which I spoke about, they are also involved in business strategies, business simulations, business numbers, and as well as product management support and system support. So I think it's obviously what does it take to become an actuary? It's not an easy question. There are rewards and there are equal opportunities as well. So that keeps you motivated and keeps you going. And it's a challenging role. It's a complex role, but there is a constant area to develop and grow yourself, because as actuaries you get exposed to the board of the management, you get to work with the key management team of the company, and the sky is the limit. So there is no dearth of opportunities for actuaries to grow in the industry. So all the best.